In 2016, a team led by Stanford robotics expert Osama Khatib released the world's first humanoid submarine robotic diver to help Christian Vulstra, the head of 2012 deep-sea coral expedition, to collect deep-sea coral samples that humans could not safely access before. The robot OceanOne took its first swim in 2015, but wasn't able to fully swim until early 2016. And it wasn't long until a team of marine archaeologists and biologists used the robot to retrieve artifacts from the shipwreck La Luna, a flagship vessel that sunk in 1664. Just months later, the robot completed another mission, recovering samples and exploring the Colombo underwater volcano. Instead of building a robot that's only capable of performing delicate tasks underwater, the team designed a general robotic framework that can also be used for hazardous operations like mining and fixing underwater cables. This 5-foot robotic diver weighs in at 200 pounds, can descend to 1,000 meters, and has AI navigation to avoid obstacles and compressible oil to offset the pressure at depths of 100 meters. The arms and hands relay haptic feedback to the pilot's control, allowing the pilot to feel what the robot is doing and almost feel like they're there. Do I believe that we'll be seeing more robots like this being developed to work underwater in the near future? You betcha. Do you think robots are the future of underwater tasks and exploration? Let me know in the comments section below. And to stay up to date with future content, hit that like and subscribe button. Thank you all for watching, and until next time, save that money.